to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is unboxing the September Glossybox. And if you don't know anything about Glossybox, everything you need to know will be in the description box below for you guys. And if you are a regular subscriber to Glossybox and you want to know more on the advent calendar, then please stay tuned. Those of you who are not subscribed to Glossybox, Glossybox is a monthly subscription service. They have two types of plans. They have a monthly plan which you pay £13. I can't remember exactly, I think it's about £13 something. Everything will be in the description box below anyway, but it's £13 a month, or you can do 12 months, which is £11.25 I think it is. I have now opted for the 12 months plan. I'm still subscribed to Glossybox and I absolutely love them. Every month you receive a box like this to your door. The box is worth over £50 and they are absolutely brilliant. I absolutely love them. So this is the September box. I have already opened it because I'm too eager. But first, in this little goodies here, I did actually have a Untitled Chocolate, but as you can see I've already demolished that, so I got a little treat. This is what I want to show you. I'll show you this first actually. These are the More and More Judith Liber for her perfumes. Now I do have a discount code as well. It says enjoy 25% off your first purchase of the More and More fragrance for her and for him. Use the code Glossy21. I will leave it on the screen and I will leave it in the description box below for you guys as well. So you can use Glossy21 to get 25% off. I have actually got the little testers here, and oh my life, they smell incredible. You can use them on their own, or you can use all three as a really lovely scent, a bit of an adventure kind of a smell. But these are the little testers, so this is what it looks like. Again, I will show you that. Sorry, the camera's reflecting in it. But I will leave everything you need to know in the description box anyway, and I will leave the discount code on the screen and in the description box as well. These perfumes smell amazing, by the way, guys. So thank you for Glossybox for putting them in. Next in this month's Glossybox is this beautiful sheet mask. This is the Pearl Sheet Mask for brightening your skin. It absolutely looks incredible. If you guys have seen my face mask collection, then you guys will know that I do not need any more face masks. But I'm not going to say no to a lovely looking face mask like this one. Look how beautiful that looks. Ooh, I cannot wait to give that a go. Then next in this month's box is this beautiful spa tool. Now this is beautiful and incredible, and if you guys are into your skincare, then you will love this. So it is a cleansing brush. You've got like the soft bristles here, and then you've got like a silicone one here. So obviously you put cleanser, any kind of cleanser you like, on the soft one. You put it all over your face to kind of cleanse and get all into your pores, and then if you need like the really deep cleansing on your face, then that's what the silicone, oh, it feels nice, that's what the silicone stuff does. But yeah, it looks really cute as well. It looks nice and travel sized as well. It's absolutely beautiful. Then next in my monthly box, I don't know where that accent came from, but next I have this beautiful nail polish. Now this is a Nails Ink in the shade Portland Square. It's a beautiful, like, kind of reddy orangey colour. I have so many nail polishes, it's unbelievable, but because of the job that I do, I'm not allowed to wear any nail varnish. As you can see, it has to be plain Jane, unfortunately. I have so many nail polishes, and when I actually have time off, which would be my birthday, then I will definitely be painting my nails. Last couple of bits to show you guys. The second to last one is this. So this is a exfoliating scrub. Now, I don't know about you, but I have so many exfoliators and scrubs, it's unreal. But if I don't use this, then you guys and my family will be getting this. But I do want to actually try this out sometime. I'll say that, and it's probably going to be left in the drawer or my box for a very long time, so yeah. And then last but not least, I have this. So this is the Figs and Rouge Clarity Serum. Serum glows your face, revitalises, smooth and hydrates. And it looks absolutely stunning as well. Look how beautiful that bottle is. Oh my god. Sorry, but I absolutely love the pipettes in these. Just want to show you guys. Look. Look how stunning that is. It's absolutely beautiful. Fig and Rouge Serum. I've actually got loads of serums, so I don't think I need any more. But it's beautiful, it's stunning, and it's going to add to the collection. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Everything you need to know about Glossybox will be in the description box below for you guys, so go ahead and check that out. Like I said, they have 2 different plans to suit you. You can cancel at any time as well. These boxes that you receive every month are worth over £50. You can earn glossy credits by doing surveys of the products, so you can earn money, and then you can actually purchase other little goodies that they have on the actual website, or you can actually purchase the limited edition boxes out of your glossy credits, or you can actually save them up for the advent calendar. So before I go guys, I do want to quickly mention about the advent calendar. So I have an email, because I'm subscribed to Glossybox, I have emails that come through every month giving you guys some deals or some discount codes. So this is a Glossybox Surprise Me Advent Calendar, available for subscribers to pre-order now. They are just £85, featuring 25 cult products, classic products worth over £465, including Elemis, Pixie, Sarah Chap and Huda Beauty, to count down to Christmas. I have a discount promotion code as well, so I will leave that in the description box below as well. You can get bundles as well, so you can buy 1 or 2 of the boxes of the advent calendars, and do have this box here is actually called the Pure Relaxation. Unfortunately, this box is now been sold out. A discount code that I have here for this box will no longer be valid, so I will leave everything you need to know about the perfumes and the advent calendar in the description box below for you guys, so go and check that out. If you have enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the little bell next to it so you can be notified every time I upload. You guys have probably noticed that my uploading times are going to be different. They're going to be changed. The days are going to be the same, so it's going to be Wednesdays, Friday and Sunday, but it's just going to be at 6 PM. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.